Hey guys, let's see how to set unit of measures for a product. Moving on to the sales module first, we need to enable one feature under the configuration. Under the settings, you can find unit of measures in packaging. So basically it is used to sell and purchase the product in different unit of measures in packaging. So once you guys are enabled this feature, please do hit the save button before moving on to any kind of things. And here I'm moving on to the internal link of the unit of measures. So once you are there, you can find this is the pre-created unit of measures and their contain reference unit. Everything is there. If you want to create a new one, you just need to click on the new button. So before that, I want to show you one of the example. Moving on to the product side, I just want to take one of them, which is rice bag. So here I'm taking rice bag as my example. So now you can see we have just created the product, provided the product quantity, but we didn't even provided the unit of measures. So basically the rice bags are actually coming under the kilograms or grams. So I'm going to set this particular rice bag under 10 kilogram. I didn't even set the unit. So for that kind of purpose, I'm moving on to the configuration. Under that, there you can find the unit and packaging. Simply click on the new button and you need to provide the unit name. So I'm specifically providing it as 10 kilogram. Once we are done with that, we need to provide a reference unit. So here I'm taking the reference unit as gram, or I can also give this as kilogram and provide that as 10 quantity. But here I'm taking it as gram and providing that as 10,000 grams, because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, and you can simply save this manually. Once we are done with that, let's move back to the product and we need to set the unit of measures. Click on there and there we have the unit of measures. Search for 10 kilogram. Now you can see, we can simply close that. We have just set up that. Now you can see the on-hand quantity is changed to 10 quantity is there, but one of the quantity is actually 10 kg. So there we have totally 100 kg of rice. Okay, so that's all about this video. You can simply use this on the sales module and purchase module. So that's it.